children. How are you all? Hope all are fine and good, no? Yes. Shall we start our class or you want some chair class? As usual, your daily routines. You all know what you have to do every day and how you should be. Yes, children. Yes, you should be very good at honesty and always you have to help to others and you have to build up your own personality. Personality in the sense ಅಂದರೆ ತಿನ್ನೋದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ದಪ್ಪ ಆಗೋದು ಅಂತಲ್ಲ personality it's a inner built one. So that is you should help to others, you should do your own work, you have to be very greedy, honesty, truthful, humbleness, kindness, all this will be your personality development. Okay children? Understood now? Yes. As I told you from the last class, I am telling you we are in a final stage of the week. That is we are moving to our closing of this academic year 2021. So we have to face one exam in this month. I mean in the next month, coming month, in the April. Today is the last day of the March. If from tomorrow onwards, the new month will start. Therefore, you have to, what you have to do, you have to read all the syllabus what I have done till now and you have to concentrate on all the revision classes children, because once you go to your higher class, no, they will not tell you give you any courses like this. They will start with the rich courses so that it will be helpful for you. Okay, then you should please keep my name, please children. Otherwise the other madam will tell who taught you in this UKG method. Please, I am requesting you, please keep my name good. So please read how much you can. Okay, I'll not kill the time because we have very less time to revise ourselves. I'll start the class straight away. Okay, today I'm going to revise you some pages in a mathematics readiness which they are given in my curricular. Okay, so curriculum, on the basis of the curriculum I am taking randomly some pages in a mathematics readiness book and I am going to revise you. What are those? In that the first one is maths. First is mathematics readiness, page number 6. What they are given there? Page number 6 they are given tall, taller, tallest. Tall, taller, tallest. For example, what we will take? We will take a ladder. Okay. This is tall. This is taller. This is tallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Okay. Tall, taller, tallest ಗೆ ನಾವೇನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ladder ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Tall ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದು, taller ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡದು, tallest ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡದು. So tall, taller, tallest. What is the opposite of tall? It's a short, shorter, shortest. Okay, please open your mathematics readiness book. I think you have completed this page number 6 with you. If you are not completed, you can complete it. What they are given? They are given an example of a tree. One is coconut tree, one is banana tree, another one is small bush. Okay, take the picture that is taller and cross the picture that is tallest. First, what you have to do? You have to write down. Then they are given the 3 birds pictures, like one swan, another one is hummingbird, and another one is a duck. Okay, or a ostrich. First, you have to write which is tall and which is taller and which is tallest. Then take the picture that is tall, taller, and cross the picture which is tallest. That you have to do. Circle the picture that is taller than the other. Here they are given one camel, I mean zebra, and another one is giraffe. You have to circle the picture that is taller than the father. Draw a taller tree. One tree they are given, you have to draw a taller than that tree. Okay, this is your page number 6. If you have completed, leave it. If you didn't complete that page, you have to complete. The next page is, okay, the next page is your page number 12. Okay, page number 12, mathematics readiness, page 12. Okay, what they are given? They are given a number and also the number name in that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and the 10. I have to write a number name here. ONE1, PWO2, PHREE3, FOUR4, FIVE5, SIX6, SEVEN7, EIGHT8, NINE9, TEN10. This is the numbers from 1 to 10 and also the number name. What they have to do? Please open your page number 12 in the mathematics readiness book. There you have to trace the number and also you have to trace the number name. ONE1, TW2, like that you have to trace the number name. If you are already done, no problem. If you are not completed, complete that page also, children. Okay, that is 12. Next is your 23. Okay, there they are given, write the number and the number names for 21 to 30. Okay, I'll write the 21 to 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, 21 to 30, you have to revise the number and also the number name. You know the number name, no? That you have to write it there. 21 to 30. In the page number, this is mathematics readiness, page number 23. Page number 23. You have to write the number names from 21 to 30 and also the number names for the 21 to 30. Then this is your third mathematics readiness book. You have to review the same thing. Okay. Next is, we will move to next one, division. Okay. That is the page number 27. What they are given there? Mathematics readiness book, page number 27. Okay. What they are given? Write the number and the number name from 31 to 40. Write the number and the number name from 31 to 40. Like 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay. You have to write the number from 31 to 40 and also the number names from 31 to 40. Okay. That is the page number 27. Next is, okay, next is your page number 35. What they given? Fill in the missing numbers. Okay, that comes after and before and also the between numbers. Okay, we will do the same thing here. That is, open your page number. See, randomly I am doing the revision, children. This is what they have given in my curriculum. That one I am doing. I don't know which page they have given. So randomly I am doing the revision. Okay. So don't get confusion why ma'am is writing some in the middle because like that only they have given the curriculum. So I am doing the same thing. Okay. Next is page number mathematics readiness. Page number 35. Okay, page number 35. What they are given? Fill in the missing number 1 to 24. They are given the missing number that you have to do. Okay. Next one is write the number that comes after before the given number. See, for example, I will show you before number 14, 32, 84, 70. What is the before number? The number which comes before the given number. 14 ke 13, 31, 83, 69. This is the before number. Which number will come before the given number is called a before number. Next is after number. Like 21, 72, 50, 98. Okay, the blank will be here. Okay, after number, after 21 what will comes, after 72 what will comes, after 50 what will comes, and after 98 what will comes. 21, next is 22, 72, 73, 50, 51 and 98, 99. And this it is a after number. Okay, next is between number. Dash 29. Like this, it is a between number. After 27, what will come, children? So 27, then 28, 29, 48, 49, 50. Like this, it is a between number. Already we have done so many times. For your reference, please open your mathematics readiness book, page number 35. If you are done already, no problem. Just go through that. If you want, you can take the same thing in your rough book and you can do it properly. Okay, find the missing number 11 to what they are given. We start writing. Next is the number comes after and before the given number, and also the between the two numbers you have to write. Okay, page number 35. Next is the page number 36. You have to trace and write the number names from 51 to 60. What they are given, you have to trace it and you have to write the numbers also and number names also. If you have done all these pages, that is mathematics readiness, okay. If you already done all this homework completed, no problem. You can write the same thing in your square book and you can practice it. Okay. If you are not completed, you please complete it. Okay. This is your mathematics, children. Now we will move to our next class. That is which class? That's your English. Yesterday we were learning this and that. Okay. Today we are going to learn the last page of your reading readiness book. Open your reading readiness book, page number. Okay, reading readiness book, page number 55. Okay, read the story and take the correct answer. Read the story and take the correct answer. My name is Bob. I have a pet dog. His name is Spot. He is white. He has 2 ears. He has one long tail. He runs after me. He sits on my lap. He sleeps on my bed. He drinks milk. I like Spot. I love Spot. Okay. Again I'll read it. Please hear to me and you also try to read with me. My name is Bob. I have a pet dog. His name is Spot. He is white. He has 2 ears. He has one long tail. He runs after me. He sits on my lap. He sleeps on my bed. He drinks milk. I like Spot. Bob has a pet. What is that pet? Cat, dog or hen? You have to tick it. Spot is dash in color. That Spot is in which color? Black, white or a brown. He drinks what? Drinks tea, water or a milk. Who loves Spot? Bob, Ron or a Dan? That you have to take it off. You have to read it aloudly. Put today's date, put your name and you have to finish this homework. First you read it loud and loud because that will help you your tongue grippingness. Okay? Yes, no children? That is your English. Okay? With that you also can read the previous page, that is 53 and 54 also. Yes, this is your English children. Now we are moving to our next subject, that is EVS. Yesterday what we were learning in the EVS? Yes, about our country. Okay. Which is our country? India is our country. Can you see the globe here, children? Can you see the globe? Yes, no? See, so many countries are there in this globe. Globe ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಭೂಗೋಳ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕಂಟ್ರಿಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು. ಅದೇ ತರ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಚೈನಾ, ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೇಲಿಯಾ, ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾ, ಇರಾನ್, ಇರಾಕ್, ಸೂಡನ್, ಯುರೋಪ್, ರಷ್ಯಾ, ಮಂಗೋಲಿಯಾ, then America, North America, Canada, Mexico, South America. In that so many countries are there. Okay, in that India is also a one country. We are well known with India because we are staying in this India. Okay, India has its own identification with its symbols, with its all its symbols and also its courageous. Okay, as per our rules, the national symbols of India are tiger, which is the our national animal is what? Tiger. Yes, no, you all know that Bengal tiger. So the national animal is tiger. Next is your national flag. our national Tiranga. You all know no Tiranga, right? Tricolor flag. Our national flag as tricolor, that is saffron, in the middle white, in the below that is a green. Okay. Next, third one is our national flower. Is lotus. You all know the lotus, no? It will grow on a stagnant water. Okay, lotus. Next is our national game. Is hockey. Okay. Next is our national bird. It's a peacock. Our national bird is peacock. Okay, and also our national fruit. National fruit is mango. Next is our national river. Which is our national river? It's a Yamuna. Sorry, Ganga. And also the Yamuna, because both will run in a same stream. Okay, Ganga and Yamuna. It is our national river. Last one is national emblem. What do you mean by emblem? It's a national what? ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಹರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಎಂಬಲಂ, ಚಿಹ್ನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಂಬಲಂ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಅದೇನಿರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಅಶೋಕ ಫೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಶೋಕ ಥರನೇ, ಅಶೋಕ ಚಕ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮುಖ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಮೂರು ಸಿಂಹದ್ದು ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಎಂಬಲಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ Ashoka face. Okay, that pillar face. Okay, so what is the I mean our India speciality is national animal is tiger, national flag is Tiranga, national flower is lotus, national game is hockey, national bird is peacock, national fruit is mango, national river is Ganga and Yamuna, and the national emblem is Ashoka face. Okay, you all know what is this? These are the specialities of India. Like that, every country has its own kind of flag, own kind of animals, its own symbol of an emblem. Okay, this is your what? It's our country. Okay, so I hope you understood today's class. Please go through all the things what I am giving